let's vote Ash and Tay, yeah, it's true. We're running for your orchestra, president and VP. Ash for president and Tay for VP. We promise to make the next year simply the best. 'Cause we're seniors and simply want to party and maybe even get downright dirty. Oh, we're just kidding, 'cause this is just an orchestra setting. But we can still have fun in a mature, orderly fashion and hold down the fort when Miss Payne loses yet again. Beginning of next year, 'cause she's pregnant, didn't you hear? Anyways, back to the purpose of this great song. If you're gonna take anything at all, let it simply be that animal shirts are cool even though they're tacky. Okay, we're just kidding now, this is for real. Vote Ash and Tay as officers for next year. Together as an orchestra class, we'll make 2014 bad a blast, yeah.